We're gonna go ahead and get started with the face frame for the bottom bench. Here's a picture of what I'm trying to build-ish. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bottom part, and then after we get that, I wanna have a solid wood top, probably alder, and it's just very pretty. And then we'll have the T111 siding and then paint it with some hook. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the face frame. We got the face frame done, super simple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the box, and yeah, we'll go from there. So 3/4 inch plywood, pocket hole probably. Again, this is gonna be a painted project at the bottom, and then solid wood top at the top. And so yeah, let's go ahead and keep building the box now. All right, so an update on the project. We got the bench basically done. I actually got some knotty alder for the top. It's gonna look pretty cool. I got 6/4, so it's gonna be about 3/4 of an inch or about an inch when I'm done with it. But this is gonna be the top right here. You can kind of see it. I actually just glued poplar together to make 3, almost 4 inches. And then this ones are 2 inches. The original design had a middle divider. I think I'm gonna go without it for some reason. Kind of like it more open. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this frame together, and then I need to route a groove where I can fit the panel, and then from there we'll work on the top, and then we'll get started with the finishing. We'll see how it goes. My wife she wants to pick a color that matches with the inside of our house stuff, so she's still thinking about that. Once she decides, then we can kind of go. I also sanded that. I sanded a lot to make it very smooth, and then it's ready for paint. Yeah, so let's keep going. Let's put this frame together, and then we'll route the groove for the panel. Alright guys, this concludes the build. Pretty happy with how it came out. Yeah, the color is pretty cool, but yeah, it's just a mud bench. It still gives me room to go up the stairs and then hang plenty of things, especially, you know, the kids' school stuff, they can hang it. So hopefully you like it, and give it a like, subscribe, you know what to do. Otherwise, if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer what I can. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Pura vida.